Hello all, it's John from Siriushair again. So this is the inside of the S7N261. It's the PCB board with the heaters. What we're supplying is the entire unit with everything complete. The only thing that you would have to fit yourselves are your little rubbers like that, and you supply the casing. Apart from that, you don't have to do anything. But what I'm going to do is a breakdown for those people that are looking at maybe repairing the heaters or the board or stuff like that. So what we found with the S7N261 boards and most of the latest boards is they're using new style crimps. Now when we first started doing these, we used a small screwdriver to open the connection so you could pull the wires out. However, this does damage them. It makes it really difficult then to put the heater wires back in. Easiest way that we've found is to actually hold the board, hold the heater and pull, and they come out. Okay, same on the other side. Hold the board, hold the heaters, pull, and they come out. Now, when we supply the boards, we don't supply the connector as well. So you'd have to remove these yourself. Okay, so that's quite simple as well. Just hold the board, hold the wires, and pull. So they're a lot larger than these ones, so they take a little bit more strain. Inserting, just the same. Just push hard. And what we have at our disposal are the little tweezers. Well, and you can just wiggle it in to make sure it's connected. We do sell these on our website. Just push it in. And if you give it a small pull, it's okay. So neutral, blue, live, brown. And that's that. So that is the board. And when we talk about the Q4 constantly failing, it's the MOSFET, the Q4. I'll just point it out to you all on the board. It's there. That is the Q4 MOSFET. We always replace it on all our boards. So when you send your board back to us for recycling, we change the Q4. We often change this capacitor, and then we reprogram the board so it will work with our heaters. Okay, so that's heater and wire disassembly. I'll just pull these off once more, and there you go. Okay, so we'll now move on to our next part video.